Ah, Stilson. I've got the contaminated liquid you were working on hooked up to a bomb.
You bastard.
Look, I don't want to argue with you right now. There's a chopper waiting. If you want to come, come. We don't have much time.
Where's the bomb, asshole?
What do you care? You can't stop it anyway.
I'm taking you in.
Are you now? Guess you'd rather stay here, huh?
You don't return my calls anymore, do you?
Holy shit, you scared me.
Good. Because we have another one of your fundamental fuck-ups on our hands, don't we?
Look, this is none of my doing, Carter. I'm just as much in the dark as you are. I'm sitting in the middle of this goddamn crossfire trying to figure it all out.
Terrific, Johnson. Terrific. While you figure it out, I'm gonna try talk to those boys.
You're not going anywhere.
You want to talk about it, don't you?
You take one more step, I'll blow your head off. Stop!
Problem with John's luck. Either he's crazy or on the take.
Come on! Run out!
What do we do now?
I gotta try find John.
Uh-huh.
You go back to Anderson's boat and wait for us.
We'll be there.
Yeah, no sweat.
Okay.
What happened?
The soldiers found your dinghy,
Uh-huh.
and it was kind of empty.
And your friends?
I sent them back to Anderson's boat.
You did what?
They went back. Through the tunnels.
Fuck, didn't you know? The bastards got Anderson. And your friends are probably walking straight into the firing squad.
Shit!
Hey, come on. Don't you worry. Let's find your friends. Come on.
Oh, we heard some shooting, sir. Probably downstairs. Why don't you check it out? Move up! Frank. Have you set the bomb?
Right by the pump, sir. 22 seconds and counting.
And everybody's taken care of?
All dead, sir.
Lomax?
Nothing left of that sucker.
Carter?
He was right down there with him, sir, but I can't be sure.
Well, be sure, Frank. Meet you at the chopper. Let me have this, okay?
You're not gonna leave without me, are you, sir?
Of course not.
Post 9 to Colonel Whitlock. Post 9 to Colonel Whitlock.
Come in, please, sir. Post 9 to Colonel Whitlock. Post 9 to Colonel Whitlock. Come in, please.
Do you read me?
Yeah.
We got 2 of the girls, sir.
Congratulations.
Do we execute them?
No, of course not. Negative.
What do you want me to do with them, sir?
Where are they now?
We're down in the tunnel block, sir.
Keep them there.
Is everything under control, sir?
Affirmative.
Over and out.
Yes.
Come on.
Damn. Hold it!
Come on, move it. Over there.
Well, what do we have here? Escort? South American tour? I think we could dismiss. Yes. Charming.
Shut up, you. Just shut up.
No need to get upset now.
Tell him to put the gun down or I'll shoot him.
Put your gun down or she'll shoot you. All right, now, ladies, just what is it you want?
We want to get out of here.
You've got a chopper, right?
I thought everybody knew that.
Take us to it.
Okay.
What are you doing?
You have to have your safety on. This is gonna be interesting. Doesn't feel that good, does it?
Hold it!
Whitlock. As you can see, you're still alive. But you're dead.
Frank.
I guess you didn't expect to see me again, did you, Colonel?
What do you mean?
You were gonna dump me, just like the rest of them.
Frank, what are you talking about? It's always been you and me. Put that gun down.
Oh, no, Colonel. You're through fooling with me. I saw the list on your desk. God damn it, Colonel, my name was at the top.
Frank.
Hold it right there, Colonel. I'm scared enough to kill you.
Just what do you want, Frank?
Nothing. Nothing, just my life. I'm gonna take the chopper on my own, Colonel. You just stay right there. Stay put. I need some distance.
Sir.
Too bad he won't let me take care of that Lomax.
Beer. Coming up.
It's on. They tried an escape tonight. Both our agent and scientists are dead. Rick, she said she'd been contaminated by something.
Damn. Contaminated. She was aware of the risks. Let's go to action. Fly over to the island with chopper. I'll write posting as a government accountant. The military installation has gone way over budget for the last couple of years. $500 million just disappeared, so it's only natural for me to turn up. The island has a military base with a secret testing plant for biological warfare. The only people living there is a platoon of U.S. Marines, a team of scientists, They perform experiments to the animals you wouldn't believe. It's a real bad place. The soldiers there are the dregs of the US Army. The military officials have sent them to that hellhole because they don't want them to serve in any other NATO unit. The strange things are happening on that island. That's why we're stationed here on the mainland for all these months. And a reporter agent managed to get out last night. Really scared the shit out of the government.
And now she's dead.
Yeah, she said she saw men on that island that shouldn't be there. Real bad guys. The place has become a modern pirate island. And we're here to find out what the hell's going on.
What about me?
Take the boat. Is it standing by?
Yeah, should be.
Should be?
It is.
Stand by outside the island for 24 hours here. You do nothing more or you do nothing less,
No
John.
sweat, I'll be there.
Do it right this time.
Get out!
What the fuck?
Looking for a boat, son?
Yeah. Anderson's.
His gun. Brought a couple of girls with him.
Shit.
You need the boat now?
Yeah, you got one?
Sure.
You do? Can I rent it for a night?
$200.
Wait, where is it?
The money first.
Can you take me out to the island?
No problems.
Okay, here's the money. Now, where's the boat?
In my car.
In your car?
Sure. It's a rubber dinghy.
Shit. Okay, let's get it.
It seems your contacts are not quite up to standard. This fellow Lomax is still hanging around. I want you to arrange a little exercise outside the compound. Give the soldiers the phony maps of the minefields. I don't want anyone around except you, Carter, and Van Effen when this fellow Lomax arrives.
I don't quite understand, sir. Excuse us, please.
You see, Frank, when this is all over, we are going to share the profits. So I don't want anything getting in the way.
I understand, sir.
Interesting man, this Lomax. In Nam, he was one of the most effective of the special forces. He enjoys killing. So, kill him.
You got it, Colonel.
Exactly at the other end of the bridge.
We always got stuff. Get this helicopter and much. Come on here, Frank. Here. Yeah. Extra stuff here. Cage.
Post 48 calling control.
Colonel Whitlock here. Over.
We've got intruders on the island.
Have you identified them?
It's 4 women.
Women.
What do you want me to do with them?
I want them alive. I will interrogate them myself. Call me when you have them.
Over and out.
This could be interesting.
This is it, Colonel. The accountant is on his way. Colonel, you're finished.
Don't be too sure about that.
Whitlock, you can't hide anymore. Once the guy's gonna investigate this thing, he's gonna find out everything. And I mean everything. If he doesn't, I'm gonna tell him. I don't like what's been going on here, Whitlock. I think you've really gone too far. Whitlock, you're dog meat.
Henderson? You chicken shit. Clean up that mess.
Yes, sir.
And then get back to the exercise.
As you were. Major Frank Johnson, sir.
Gerald Hendricks, pleased to meet you.
If you'd like to come this way.
Sure.
Have you all memorized the map now?
Actually, no. We just sat around playing Trivial Pursuit the whole night.
Tina goes with me, and Susie, you guard the gate.
So what do I do if anyone shows up?
Anything you like.
All right.
Let's go.
Staff Accountant Hendricks, Colonel.
Colonel Whitlock.
I know. Your reputation precedes you.
No kidding.
Please, sit down.
I'd like to begin my examination as soon as possible.
Of course. My staff is working on the papers right now. We'll start tomorrow morning. Meanwhile, Mr. Hendricks, make yourself comfortable. The Sergeant Major will show you to your quarters.
Tomorrow? I understood we should be doing this today.
I'm afraid that's impossible. Tomorrow morning at 700 hours, Mr. Hendricks. Don't walk outside the walls of the castle. The entire island is mined. We certainly wouldn't want you to have your ass blown off, would we? Good day, Mr. Hendricks.
This way, please, sir.
Thank you, Sergeant Major. Good day, sir.
Quarters are right along here, sir. I think you'll find them comfortable. So do I. Gun is scheduled to sort it out. When the colonel's ready, he's ready, sir. Hey, what's your name, boy?
Cromden, sir.
You like it here?
Yes, sir.
Well, carry on.
Yes, sir.
The place is in need of a little renovation, sir, but I'm sure you've seen worse.
Well, it doesn't really matter, because I won't be here long. I'd like to talk to your head of security, Henderson.
I'm afraid that's impossible, sir. He's not with us anymore.
You mean he's...
Dead, sir. Breakfast at 0600. Have a nice day, sir.
Right.
Jonathan, mark that son of a bitch.
Post 7 Central. Colonel Whitlock here. I'm leaving the tunnel.
Quickly!
I'll wash off this shoe shine. But the bus driver said it was difficult. And then we realized we couldn't get it off. We put your head on and off.
Over here, boys.
You're gonna regret this you were ever born.
Bastards.
Dragging your heels, soldier.
Whoever they are, we've got them.
One of them, sir. He's in the interrogation room right now.
Make him talk.
We'll dispense with the usual formalities. We could make this easier if you talk to me.
The guardhouse is across the yard. It's still time to turn back.
Are you kidding? Let's do it.
You're right. Good. Come on.
Sink his boat and kill him.
What the hell are you doing here?
Didn't you know? We were scheduled to be here today.
Schedule? I don't understand.
Maybe this will help.
Oh, Christ.
Shut up. Showtime.
This is gonna be fun.
Take your uniform off.
Do what?
Strip.
What?
Freeze! Shit, you made it.
Security's caught an intruder, and somebody got shot in the caves.
It was Susie.
Has Karma been out today?
Not yet.
Quiet down, you goddamn mutt.
Okay, move. Move! Quietly. Shh! What's in there?
We don't know. It's always locked.
Maybe they keep the tigers in there.
Sure, or the elephants.
You two put a suck in it. Let him out.
Come on, we're going to let you all free. Come on.
Oh, little darling.
We're going to set you free. Oh, go on, run. Come on, quick. Go on.
Oh, come on. Oh, you little baby. Go on. Oh. Yes, quick. Run to your freedom. Go on. There you are. Off you go, quick.
Poor creatures. I don't know how people can keep them in cages like that. Come on, little fellow. You're free now. Come on.
I thought you were rescuing Kara's dog.
She doesn't have one.
Nothing. It's empty.
Hey, Tina!
Who are you?
Animal protectors.
What's that? Check it out.
What are you guys doing in there?
We've been locked up in here for months. Do you have a boat?
Sure.
We need weapon. I have a few things to settle with that son of a bitch Whitlock.
never been born.
The scientists are on the loose now, sir.
This accountant, Lomax, Hendricks, is he dead yet?
Not yet, sir, but he will be as soon as you give the word.
Take him down to research. Put him in the center of fire. I want the whole place and everybody in it destroyed.
Yes, sir.
Please, sir, just stay behind your door for your own safety.
Well, don't you worry about me.
Van Effen, pick that piece of garbage up off the floor.
Lomax, sir.
You've lost.
Yeah.
Hawk to Eagle. Hawk to Eagle.
Colonel.
To Eagle. Hawk to Eagle. Eagle, come in. Come in, Eagle. Hawk to Eagle. Hawk to Eagle. Come in, Eagle.
Eagle here. Eagle here. Over.
Your position. Over.
I'm close to the nest. I'm inside. Over.
You got a boat?
Negative.
You lost it?
Negative, sir. It was taken from the mainland by a couple of girls.
Listen, this mission goes into phase 2.
Phase 2? I didn't know there was a phase 1.
To establish that Colonel Whitlock and his officers
Had committed serious crimes against the United States of America.
You got that now? You wouldn't believe the things going on here.
Do you read me?
Eagle to Hawk. Eagle to Hawk. I can't pick you up. Verify, Hawk. Eagle searching Hawk. Hawk, I can't pick you up. I can't pick you up.
Eagle to Hawk, I can't pick you up. Do you read me?
Hawk's reading you loud and clear. Come in.
Hey! It's something you should know. I think the scientists are alive. They've been locked up in the laboratory for several months now.
Well, they even tried to assassinate me.
Really?
What?
What's phase 2?
To eliminate everybody on this island. And that means everybody, including these damn visitors.
Are you serious? You're talking about innocent people here.
Well, it's a little complicated. Got out of hand.
The government can't afford another embarrassment.
It's like a bad debt. You just pretend it doesn't exist. You do as I tell you, or we're talking treason, boy.
I'm ready to disobey that order.
You what?
Over and out.
Damn fool!
Well, now, Frank, what do you make of that?
Lomax and Santino.
Very good, Frank. They never give up, do they?
You can't stop me now, Whitlock.
Let me guess. It was you who stole my boat, huh?
Who are you?
Santino. John Santino, CIA.
Hey, don't shoot.
Don't worry. I'm with the good guys. But if my boss has it his way, you'll all be dead. And if you bump into Whitlock's people, run like hell.
Great. What are you going to do to us?
Well, I got a robber dinghy not far from here. I suggest you take it and get the hell out of here.
How are we going to find it?
It's down by the river.
Well, what are we waiting for? What about you, John?
I've got a job to finish.
Good luck.
Yeah, right. Whitlock. Time for you to die.
Post 48 calling Central.
Whitlock here. Over.
I found their dinghy. Over.
Destroy it.
Done. Over.
And the girl's position?
They ran into the minefield.
Follow them.
beg your pardon?
I said follow them. Do you copy?
Yes, sir. Over and out.
I want every available man in the mine areas looking for these girls.
No problem, sir.
Make sure the mercenaries are at the far end of the field. We'll kill 3 birds with 1 stone, so to speak.
Well, that's not going to be so easy, Colonel.
Don't fail me, Frank. Explode the mines when they're in the area. I want everybody killed. Everybody. Understand? I have Stilson's creation in 2 barrels in the caves. Attach a bomb to them with 1 hour delay. We'll take the chopper. The money is already on board.
Yes, sir.
Idiot.
Carter calling Johnson. Carter calling Johnson. Come in.
It looks bad.
Jesus fucking Christ.
Oh, God, get me a doctor.
Johnson. Johnson here, over. Something's going wrong here. Your Borscos are firing real ammo. We got casualties here. Repeat, Group A is firing real ammunition.
Listen, Carter, we have new orders. This is no longer a maneuver. This is a state of war.
Repeat, this is no longer a maneuver. Your orders are to mount a full-scale offensive against the enemy.
Repeat, a full-scale offensive. Do you copy, over?
What the fuck is going on, Johnson? Johnson? Answer me, you son of a bitch. The only way to find him a doctor is getting a chopper.
I've got the contaminated liquid you were working on hooked up to a bomb.
You bastard.
Look, I don't want to argue with you right now. There's a chopper waiting. If you want to come, come. We don't have much time.
Where's the bomb, asshole?
What do you care? You can't stop it anyway.
I'm taking you in.
Are you now? Guess you'd rather stay here, huh?
You don't return my calls anymore, do you?
Holy shit, you scared me.
Good. Because we have another one of your fundamental fuck-ups on our hands, don't we?
Look, this is none of my doing, Carter. I'm just as much in the dark as you are. I'm sitting in the middle of this goddamn crossfire trying to figure it all out.
Terrific, Johnson. Terrific. While you figure it out, I'm gonna try and talk to those boys.
You're not going anywhere.
You want to talk about it, don't you?
You take one more step, I'll blow your head off. Stop!
Problem with Johnson. What? Either he's crazy or on the take.
Run out!
What do we do now? I gotta try find John. You go back to Anderson's boat and wait for us.
We'll be there.
Yeah, no sweat. Okay.
You again? What happened?
The soldiers found your dinghy,
Uh-huh.
and it was kind of empty.
And your friends?
I sent them back to Anderson's boat.
You did what?
They went back. Through the tunnels.
Fuck, didn't you know? The bastards got Anderson. And your friends are probably walking straight into the firing squad.
Shit!
Hey, come on. Don't you worry. Let's find your friends. Come on.
Oh, we heard some shooting, sir. Probably downstairs. Why don't you check it out? Buddha!
Set the bomb?
Right by the pump, sir. 22 seconds and counting.
And everybody's taken care of?
All dead, sir.
Lomax?
Nothing left of that sucker.
Carter?
He was right down there with him, sir, but I can't be sure.
Well, be sure, Frank. Meet you at the chopper. Let me have this, okay?
You're not gonna leave without me, are you, sir?
Of course not.
Post 9 to Colonel Whitlock. Post 9 to Colonel Whitlock.
Come in, please, sir. Post 9 to Colonel Whitlock. Post 9 to Colonel Whitlock. Come in, please.
Do you read me?
Yeah.
We got 2 of the girls, sir.
Congratulations.
Do we execute them?
No, of course not. Negative.
What do you want me to do with them, sir?
Where are they now?
We're down in the tunnel block, sir.
Keep them there.
Is everything under control, sir?
Affirmative.
Over and out.
Yes.
Come on.
Damn.
Hold it!
Come on, move it. Over there.
Well, what do we have here? Escort? South American tour? I think we could dismiss. Yes. Charming.
Shut up, you. Just shut up.
No need to get upset now.
Tell him to put the gun down or I'll shoot him.
Put your gun down or she'll shoot you. All right, now, ladies, just what is it you want?
We want to get out of here.
You've got a chopper, right?
I thought everybody knew that.
Take us to it.
What are you doing?
You have to have the safety on. This is gonna be interesting. Doesn't feel like good, does it?
Hold it!
Whitlock, as you can see, you're still alive. But you're dead.
Frank. I guess you didn't expect to see me again, did you, Colonel?
What do you mean?
You were gonna dump me, just like the rest of them.
Frank, what are you talking about? It's always been you and me. Put that gun down.
Oh, no, Colonel. You're through fooling with me. I saw the list on your desk. God damn it, Colonel, my name was at the top.
Frank.
Hold it right there, Colonel. I'm scared enough to kill you.
Just what do you want, Frank?
Nothing. Nothing, just my life. I'm gonna take the chopper on my own, Colonel. You just stay right there. Stay put. I need some distance.
Come on. Come on, get going. Come on. Step over.
Okay, boy. We're gonna fight now.
Hold it! I said hold it!
Whitlock!
We got a bomb set in the pump station. Set to go off in about 10 minutes. Let's get out of here. Just you and me and the girls, huh?
Forget it.
There's $2 billion on that chopper. Maybe you'd like to think about it.
I have. You're not coming with me.
Screw you, choir boy.
Now let the girls go!
All right.
Jesus Christ, we don't have time for that.
Be careful! Watch out!
Jesus.
Somebody got to defuse that bomb. You think you can handle it?
No problem. You think you can deal with this louse yourself?
Look at him.
Right, go for it.
I'm gonna kick your ass, Colonel.
Oh, yeah? Dream on, Tarzan. Come on.
see the other guy, Lomax.
Huh?
Keep out of his way.
Why?
He's been ordered to kill everybody on the island. That includes you.
I'll keep that in mind.
He's already killed 2 of your friends, remember?
What? If you mean the 2 female guards, you're wrong. They were shot by...
Soldiers. That's grown-up's toil, Lomax. Better let me take care of it. Now listen. You do exactly what I say, nothing more, nothing less. Do you understand? Carry. Don't move a muscle. One jolt and we get wings. We've got one shot at this, Lomax. So pay attention.
You got some tools?
I've got nothing.
I got some.
You do? Do you usually go around with tools in your pocket?
No, I use them to cut the animals free.
These 4 wires have to be cut in the right order. And they gotta be snapped clean. Easy. Okay?
This one?
Yeah, category 1. Easy.
Sure. Which other one?
You're shaking, man.
I'm not nervous.
Wait.
What?
This one's different.
How different?
Usually when the mechanism is free of the drums,
yeah,
you're safe. This one's gonna blue if you do take it off. Clever. One, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You're gonna talk to it or dismantle it?
I can stop it. If you can get it in underwater in 10 seconds.
Okay.
They're gonna be one hell of a band.
Well, you did a good job, boy. Phase 2 is complete.
You son of a bitch.
Do you realize you're gonna be disciplined for this? But forget it. I want something else.
Yeah, what?
Hand-to-hand combat.
Suits me fine.
Okay.
What about her?
Well, you can have her if you win.
And if I lose?
Phase 2.
What are you talking about?
Get out of here.
You heard him.
Ready? Dog breath.
You really don't give a damn, do you?
Kiss my ass.
Listen.
Oh my God! How bad is it?
I guess we were lucky.
But we saved some of the animals, didn't we?
Are you okay?
Oh, don't worry about me. I'm fine. But John is in trouble. He thinks Lomax killed the other girls.
What?
And now they're gonna beat the shit out of each other.
Oh, terrific.
It wasn't Lomax. It was Whitlock's people.
Junior.